Welcome to historic Edgmont Township, Glen Mills Post Office, located in the highly sought-after Rose Tree Media School District. If you're someone excited about the opportunity of restoring a historic-style home, not on the historic registry, or a developer inspired by the opportunity to do such, as well as possibly subdivide the back lot to have two properties, live in one, sell the other, or sell both, then check out 1526 Meadows Lane in Glen Mills.
Shown here is a previously approved variance of a subdivision plan allowing for the existing home to stay and the back lot to feature a new home with an estimated market value of $1.5 to $2 million. Displayed here is 10 Pineview Drive, a recent sale in media featuring an 1850s era restored farmhouse on just over an acre of land that sold for $2.175 million. A good market comparable for a newer home on the potential backlot is just up the street at 1616 Meadow Lane. It is currently on the market at $2 million on a 2-acre lot and spec'd for an estimated 5,000 square foot home.